Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why to use Trust Wallet login. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits of using Trust Wallet login and how it can enhance your cryptocurrency experience. Firstly, Trust Wallet login provides an additional layer of security to your wallet. By enabling login functionality, you can protect your wallet from unauthorized access, even if your device is lost or stolen. This is because Trust Wallet login requires a username and password, which adds an extra layer of security to your wallet. Another benefit of using Trust Wallet login is that it allows you to access your wallet from multiple devices. By logging into your Trust Wallet account, you can access your wallet from any device, whether it is a smartphone, tablet, or computer. This makes it easy to manage your cryptocurrencies on the go. Trust Wallet login also provides a backup and recovery feature. In the event that you lose access to your wallet, you can recover your account by logging in to your Trust Wallet account. This ensures that you never lose access to your cryptocurrencies, even if you lose your device or forget your wallet password. In addition to these benefits, Trust Wallet login also provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your cryptocurrencies. The wallet is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. Even for beginners, you can easily send, receive, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To get started with Trust Wallet login, simply download the Trust Wallet app and create an account. You will be required to provide a username and password, which will be used to secure your wallet. Once you have created an account, you can log into your wallet from any device and start managing your cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, using Trust Wallet login provides an additional layer of security, allows you to access your wallet from multiple devices, and provides a backup and recovery feature. With its user-friendly interface and support for multiple cryptocurrencies, Trust Wallet is an ideal choice for anyone looking to manage their cryptocurrencies securely and easily. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a safe and secure cryptocurrency experience with Trust Wallet login.